Not very Indian of me, I know. Cry me a river, Kiana. Cry me a river. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Make my little channel here a safe space for everyone. And yeah, as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be trying the Instagram reverse cat eye makeup look. Here's the reference picture. I saw this everywhere and everyone looked like a freaking snack when they did this makeup look. I was like, who else wants to look like a freaking snack? Me. And I tend to shy away from black smoky eyes. I'm not a black smoky eye girl, I'm sorry. And I'm not even a kajal girl, like gold in the waterline. Not very Indian of me, I know. But yeah, I was like, this might make me into it, so I was like, why not try it? So we're gonna see. Maybe let's turn this into a series. Like, I was just randomly brainstorming and I came up with this like of a title, like a series title, win or a sin. So if this looks good on me, it's a win, but if it doesn't, it's a sin. So maybe I'll do this series where I just try out like different hacks and makeup trends, and I'll see if they're a win or a sin. So I don't know why I said it with that much exaggeration, but I've already done my brows and my base because that's boring to me, and if I wouldn't watch my content, I am not putting it out there. So yeah, let's get on to the fun part. So I zoomed you all in, and just in that moment, construction started right outside my building. Like, it wasn't just like raining heavily, and I was just so demotivated to film because it's like such cozy weather. I just wanted to snuggle and watch Netflix. So yeah, but it's up. Thank you so much, I love you. Okay, so we're just gonna recreate that. Okay, it's really simple. Just put like a black kajal moment. Like, love that. I just love that. Okay, so I'm gonna do it my way or the highway, you know how it be. Okay, so I'm just taking a super fluffy brush, and I like a warm shade on my eyes. So I'm taking the first, like a very light red ochre orangey shade, and just putting that all over my eyelids just to have like an even tone on my eyes. Now that I started filming, and I'm like really proud of myself because I was just so demotivated. I was not feeling it. My hands hurting really bad, and I was just not feeling it. Don't mind me ranting like about my life, because this is my channel. I'm kidding, but like it's pretty self-explanatory, like the makeup look. So I'm gonna rant. Let's get on with the difficult stuff, and then I will rant, maybe, if you're lucky. Like, I'm going to overshare on my channel because yeah, that's how it be. I think that's like good. It's even, it's cute. Okay, then I'm going to take a very bougie gold pencil. This is the Dior one. You don't need this, but I have it. I'm just going to line my waterline like relatively thick. Don't be shy to like put it under. Now, can you tell why I don't wear all of this stuff? It's a relatively simple, straightforward makeup look. So, like, if I look hot, like, I'm not gonna stop wearing this ever. So I feel this is a very intimidating makeup look. Like, it's just like bold, and I love that. Like, if I saw you, I would be like, that's a person who has a life together, you know? Or their life together, because makeup is gender neutral. You know, that's how it be. Not me saying that's how it be like 20 times in this video. So I'm taking a light brush, a skinny brush. I'm taking teensers bit of black eyeshadow and just like smudging it. Make sure you don't have too much black eyeshadow, then you'll look like a city. I'm just going to take a slightly fluffy brush and just like blend it. to my best abilities. I think that's relatively blended. Okay, I think that's cute. Then she brings it out a bit. Not this eye becoming like that. Oh my gosh. Cry me a river, Kiana. Cry me a river. If you're wondering if I often talk to myself in third person, I'd rather not tell you for your own sanity. I feel every baddie has to talk to herself at least 10 times a day. If you don't, you're not a baddie. I'm sorry, I don't make the rules. And I'm taking that same skinny brush, a little bit of black eyeshadow. Just cleaning it out and just blending it. I think that definitely looks sexy. Okay, now just the inner corner part is there. We pray to the makeup gods for this part. Okay. I think that's relatively decent. I'm just gonna smudge it. And now I'm just going to put some mascara and be right back. So I fixed everything. Now let's do the base favorite part. So yeah, I'm just gonna glide through this and I'm gonna rant a bit. So like you all know, if you care, you would know that I didn't upload last week. So something was really bothering me, and I was like, if you watch my previous video, you know that I'm a perfectionist. And so if I didn't get something right the first try, I will cry. So last whole week I was crying over something, but I'm also like a hyperfixate over stuff. So I was not doing it, so I was sitting for 5 hours straight trying to get it done, figure it out. And I was just crying, and it just stressed me out. Anytime my family member would get me, I'd start crying. They supported me through it. I finally got it, but after like almost a whole week of struggling, then on Friday I went out to dinner and I was like super excited to get that out of the way. And I had like my favorite food items. My friend treated me. I had pasta, pizza, cheesecake, and french fries. So I was really happy that I could reward myself with going out with my loved ones at the end of the week, and going out with my friends at the end of the week. And I was just really happy that I could go out and have fun. And then on Saturday I went for a sleepover at my friend's place, and I was just so happy, like that whole change of pace and just like getting the difficult stuff out of the way and just like rewarding myself with like some quality time with my friends. I was just like so happy. I'm still like getting off that high, I guess. And I was just like so stoked that I could like spend time with my friends and had the best weekend ever. Like Friday, Saturday, Sunday was just like one of the highlights of this year. And I was just super happy. Like when you're like super sad and just suddenly something like really exciting happens, that happy moment like just like feels so amazing. Like I can't even describe that feeling that I felt of like just relaxing. Now like that thing is not bothering me and I'm just like super happy. Like yeah, I really sometimes let things get to me and I just cry, and I was just like I have not cried that much in like years. I think maybe 2 years back or something I would have cried that much. I don't know, I just don't remember crying that much over anything. So it's just so weird to see that side of me. So yeah, that's little story time. But my friend and I made reels and we were just dancing and singing, and then we ate good food. We had a lot of laughs.
I do love working here. It's just, we all have a lot of laughs. Fuck off, Janet. I'm not going to your fucking baby shower.
Sometimes like take a break, you know, reward yourself. Like, it's the little wins. Like, I've learned to celebrate my little wins, or like treat myself, or ask my family to treat me over the little wins. And it's just that way, like, getting through life has been like life. Like, I'm still a student, but yeah, that way. Not me. Like, don't like say that other people have it worse. Like, sometimes you're not like ready for such like difficult part. Like, you're not prepared, so like don't blame yourself. So don't listen to me. Like, if you have it hard, you have it hard. Like, don't compare your fight to someone else, you know. I'm just like spraying some setting spray so that my skin's all dewy for highlighter. Like, I was trying to convince myself it's not that deep, it's not that deep, like it's not the end of the world, but I was just like, no. My body, my brain was not buying it. It was not buying it, it was not having it, and I was just like, okay, if this is what you want, I'm just gonna figure it out, and I did, and I'm like really proud of myself. So I rewarded myself with a fun weekend on my friend's expense. Kidding, they love me as they should. So that's my little story time. You know, it's okay to allow myself to take breaks when I'm not just feeling it, you know. Like, I can't like be like this, always pump out like the most amazing, creative, mind-blowing content. But am I? Today itself I was not having it, like because of the weather. I was like no. But I did it. I sat down and filmed a YouTube video. Now, just lining my lips. And then I'm going to use this Acne, my favorite liquid lipstick in crushed caramel. Put it like that. Oh lord. And yeah, I'm just going to do some final touches, change my outfit, put on some earrings and be back. So this is the final makeup look. Dyed my hair slicked back and I just feel fierce. I feel like a baddie. So yeah. Yeah, this is the finished makeup look. This is definitely a win in my book, and I'm gonna be pulling up this look often. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Also comment down below if you want more win or sin videos. So yeah, and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.